So this is what $20 a night can get you in Chiang Mai, Thailand. We're going to change it up this time and go straight to the absolutely best part of this apartment. I mean, what? Can you see that? Okay, so we have a massive balcony, with a hammock, and yes, it looks right over Doi Suthep, like mountain view, and a ceiling fan out on the balcony. I actually have, look at this, a screen door, and it's like an accordion style too. Freaking cool. Okay, so now for the actual apartment, we have a couch with an aircon, surround sound systems, nice little rug. This place has so much storage, I don't even know what to do with it. And some recessed lighting, air purifier. So if you're here in the burning season, that's good. Giant TV. I haven't even turned it on once, but you know, if you like to watch TV, it's massive. It is a smart TV. A queen size bed, as with pretty much most places in Thailand, it is very firm. You got a ton more storage down here. You have a desk, desk number one, and then look at this giant desk, and freaking cool. It's like a slab of a tree made into a desk. So you've got an additional chair here. Look at this. Oh, nice. Working chair. Now, I didn't use this, but this is the first time in any Airbnb I've stayed in that they provide this external monitor. Look at that thing. Again, huge. You can also have an external keyboard. You've got a whiteboard here with a nice little markers, X-Acto knife, scissors, etc. Microwave, a 2-burner cooktop, sink, plenty of dishes. I personally never cooked once here because it's Thailand. You might as well just order everything in. But you could if you wanted to. You've got a really good size fridge. And again, like, so much storage. I didn't even know what to do with all of it. Like, so here you have, don't worry, closet number one. And then, as if that's not enough, you have like a coat closet here. Again, I don't have that much stuff. So I didn't really use everything, but like, so like here, I just spread out because I could. Like, why not? Look at all this storage space. My gosh. And then this is actually really cool. So, I should turn that on. The host here for Airbnb made a little welcome book and then put all of the destinations, right? Numbered them, showed you exactly where to go. That's just really cool. I mean, I don't even know how many times I've been to Chiang Mai over the last 7 years, so I personally didn't use it. But if you were new here, that would be like super helpful. You've got this mirror here. First aid kit, you could hang your keys. Actually comes with a fire extinguisher. Like, what is that? Okay, here is your bathroom. Again, just there's so much space in here. Lots of storage. Like, what would I even do with all those toilet paper? Because, you know, in Thailand, you gotta have the sprayer. You just have to. And then the shower. Right here, you got your options, either a rainfall up ahead, up above, or just your regular shower head there. 2 racks to hang your towels in. So, this is the apartment. And yeah, the days that I work from home, like, look at this view. Well, okay, those lights above, they don't actually flicker. My camera is freaking out right now. They don't actually flicker in real life. But I just sit here, relax in my comfortable chair, and look at the mountain view. So I'm in Hillside Condo 4, and it does have a swimming pool that you can use for free. There was no washing machine in this unit, but at the bottom of the apartment complex, there is a laundromat. So you can either do it yourself, which is what I chose to do, or they also offer where you drop your laundry off and they'll do it for you. The location is amazing, right? You can see how close Maya Mall is. You're also within walking distance to Old Town. Now, because right, normally you would get a lot of airplane noise here, but this unit, they had double paned windows, and so while you could still hear some airplane noise, it wasn't nearly as intense as some of the other places I've stayed in within the Neiman area. So, as always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Leave me a comment. What do you think about how this place compares to Hillside Condo 3, which was where I was before? And the next video will be right here in 3, 2, 1.